Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I have here this 2003 beauty, right? It's a Golf TDI turbo diesel. Love this, but something drives me nuts on this. Listen to this. These door hinges and door straps, right, on the whole car. Oh, this one's nice. That was a great example how it should be, right? Also, right, the rear ones are not used so much, so they don't make that horrible sound. Unbelievable, isn't it? That's so annoying. Obviously the owner didn't request any service with it, but I just can't stop myself. Call me control freak or something. There must be some way to improve that, don't you think? And of course, if you look in Volkswagen manual, there's supposed to be used some special grease. I have some marine grease right here on this table. So let's go and see if this will work. And I don't want to spend half a day dealing with this either, right? It either will improve, I can improve it a little bit, or not. It's a free service, as I said, something what I love to give to my customers, right? If somebody pays me, even if it's a special deal which I give the friends, I want to always, if I can, do something extra. If we can improve this sound, I would love to do that. It's probably actually not that spring, but it's entire hinge, which is actually right here. So I had this chain and cable lubricant, right? Something, or hopefully will find its way in those hinges. The upper one, this is the lower one, right? And not just lubricating the spring which is there. And I use that straw from that spray. I put the oil there. I put oil right here. Do you see it? That was the straw. Let's go back. I put it right there. And you see that heavy grease on that spring, which is basically actuating the door and keeps it in different positions. I just did that, right? Now look at that. Where is that horrible squeaking, right? I'll be quiet. Who wants to listen that weird squealing and squeaking, right? Nobody. Well, I hope this is a little inspiration for everybody. Things can be fixed, sometimes in very cheap and very quick way. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.